Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Nissan Altima 2.5S. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 168,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Thank you for viewing our 2008 Chevy Equinox.